Hi, you've been waiting for months, maybe years to buy your home, so I'm gonna tell you why July of 2023 is a perfect time for you to buy. Number one, the number of buyers is still higher than the number of sellers out there. That means that there are more people buying than people selling, so prices are not going down anytime soon. If you keep waiting, most probably gonna buy at a more expensive price later, so don't keep waiting. Number two, there are discount rates for first-time home buyers. So interest rates are better now than last year. They are better now than at the beginning of this year, even better. First-time home buyers, the interest rates, you will be able to get an additional discount. Get pre-qualified now. Don't keep waiting. This is your time. Number three, on June 14th, the Federal Reserve ended a 10-month hike of increasing rates over and over and over. The Federal Reserve doesn't set the interest rate for mortgages. However, the interest rates from the Fed impact inflation, which impacts mortgage interest rates. So this is your time to buy. If you wait, most probably you're gonna get a higher price later. Interest rate won't go significantly lower at this point. So this is your time to buy. Get together with a realtor that understands what you need. Get with a loan officer that understands what you need and where you want to go. And be careful if you ask for the lower rate, because lower rate doesn't necessarily mean for payments. You want to pay less, you want to spend less. You don't want a lower rate, you want to spend less money. So be careful what you ask for. Ask for more savings, be very specific. You want to save money. You don't want a lower rate, you want to save money. Lower rate is a way to get savings, but it's not the only one and it's not definite. Be careful you ask for, because you may get it.